Hello. Thank you for cooperation and willingness to watch this video on the importance of the educational technology inventory. With no combined staff meeting scheduled in the new calendar year and the 2021 budget season approaching quickly, it is important to provide this information to everyone as soon as possible. The Tech Department is undertaking this inventory process for a number of reasons. The first is for budgetary review. As the district's one-to-one program continues to grow, the Technology Department, Business Office, Mr. Clapper, and the Board of Education all want to ensure that sufficient funds are available for the technology budget for impactful educational technology. As a team, we need to examine what is being used and review the cost-benefit from educational software, online programs, and apps that the district is purchasing. The second and equally important reason for this audit is to be proactive in regards to new state regulations involving technology in school districts. With the rash of cyber attacks on schools in recent years, the state is in the process of updating Edlaw 2D Part 121, which addresses cybersecurity in school districts. While many of these changes will not affect teachers directly on how they will use technology to teach, there are some that will be required for your individual attention. All of these changes are being made to protect all stakeholders in schools. The most important ones are being implemented to protect students. To do this, the state is requiring all school districts to create new procedures and policy that districts will follow to protect the personal identification information of students and staff and how they react if there is a cyber breach in their district. These policies and procedures must be in place and approved as a board policy by July 1st, 2020. As professionals, please understand that as part of this process, every educational tool that you use that relates to information that is student specific and can be used to identify a student must go through an extensive review. The educational laws require all software, online programs, and apps to store student information such as pictures, names, user account information, etc. must be shared with parents via the website and be fully reviewed by the Technology Department administration in terms of privacy and educational value. The data protection team will need to understand the privacy agreements of each program and document this information. The information required for each online or software program and app fills 3 sheets of paper and will be required to be posted on the school's website. It is for this reason we will be sending out a Google form for you to fill out as part of the educational technology inventory. It is important that everyone fills out this form now because the days of calling the tech department asking us to add this or that right now will no longer be able to happen. It will take extensive time and effort to vet these programs, and with a July 1st deadline, we must start now, and that is why there is a November 29th deadline. On the Google form that will go out, you will need to provide 1. A current list of software, online programs that you use and plan to continue using. For instance, if you have IXL and math and are not using it, we would not purchase accounts for your grade level next year. We do not need to know about iReady, AimsWeb Plus, Google Suite, GoGuardian. We have listed yearly subscription apps here for your review. Second, we need to have you list paid software, online programs, or apps that you purchase through the district that we might not be aware of. The Technology Department needs to be aware of this. An example is Reading A to Z. 3. Free software, online programs, apps that you use where students do not have accounts that contain any information about students. This includes ClassDojo, Facebook, Twitter, and etc. Fourth, we need to have free software, online programs, apps that you use where students have accounts such as Prodigy, Extra Math, Zern, Khan Academy. For kindergarten and first, any free apps that you have asked to be pushed to iPads should be included here. Examples, Epic, Prodigy, etc. Fifth, we need to have paid software, online programs, or apps that you would like to have access to for the 2020-21 school year. As we begin the budget process, we need this information now. 6. We need to know any free software, online programs, apps that contain student data that you would like to use for the 2020-2021 school year. With regards to number 6, the data protection team will handle the review process for your requests for the 2020-21 school year. Between now and then, if you begin using any free app, any free program where student information is shared, please reach out to us so we can add it to our list for review. We want you to be able to use every resource at your disposal, and we'll do our best to make this process easy for you. We thank you for your help and as this task is huge, thank you again.